We made a tutorial for the Cement Grout Residue Remover. The tile we are using has a cementitious grout haze that was left to dry on for 24 hours. To start, dilute 1 part remover to 1 part water, then pour it directly on the tiles. Ensure that you make enough solution to cover all the tiles. Spread the solution evenly across the surface with a scrub pad. We're using the FCS Solutions black scrub pad for this tutorial. Next, set a timer for 3 to 5 minutes depending on the amount of haze, and gently scrub the tiles continuously until the timer is done. Make sure to avoid directly scrubbing the grout lines. Finish by wiping away excess cleaner and residue and thoroughly rinse the area with clear water. For this tutorial, we used a clean, wet sponge to clear off excess remover and residue, but for larger spaces, pouring water or using a hose directly on the clean tiles is ideal. The Cement Grout Residue Remover is for the removal of cement grout haze, residue, and efflorescence. It's safe on ceramic, porcelain, and non-calcareous natural stone. Looking at the before and after, you can see the Cement Grout Residue Remover completely revived this tile in just a few minutes. To shop Cement Grout Residue Remover, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.